Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make glutinous rice and red bean paste rolls. This is a delicious dessert which you can cook at home. Hope you will enjoy it. So now let's start. We first need to prepare a large bowl and add the glutinous rice flour into it. We also need some cornstarch, some sugar, some cooking oil, and some water. Mix until it becomes smooth. Prepare a plate and pour the liquid into it. Use a steamer to steam it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out from the steamer. Let it cool down a little bit. Put a layer of plastic wrap onto the cutting board. Then put the dough onto it. Put another layer of plastic wrap onto the top. Use a rolling pin to make the dough flat. Now remove the upper layer of plastic wrap. Prepare some red bean paste and add on the top of the dough. Now carefully roll it. In the end, add some coconut floss. Cut it and it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.